Welcome to Precise. My name is David Owen. I'm the product manager of Precise. I'm going to show you today how to install Precise on a Windows server with a SQL Server PMDB database. First of all, I go to the download site and I download Precise. You can see it's downloaded there. I have copied the Precise zip file over to a VM, and here you can see that I've already extracted the software file. I click on the setup.exe and this will initiate the Precise install. Accept the terms of the license agreement, which can be found in the EULA section of the IDERA site. I put in the server name that I'm going to install the Precise software on, and because I'm installing on Windows, I choose Windows. I'm using the current credentials for that site, so I'm an administrator. This is my installation directory where I'm going to install Precise, and I click Next. I'm choosing Microsoft SQL Server as my PMDB database. I'm using Windows authentication. You can use SQL if you want to. Choose the instance. I put in my Windows authentication. And I'll call it the Precise database name. So I choose where I want to put the software. Click Next. Now we're ready to install it. Click Install. And it will start to copy the file over and install the Precise framework. And we can see that the framework has almost been installed here. So it's installed. It's now asking us for the license. Choose the location. I have the license which you would have received. Click Next. And it's successfully finished. We launched the Precise GUI with the URL. You notice it's using the port 20790, and you can launch this in any modern browser. Put in the username and password. And here we are, the Precise dashboard is already set up for us. It's very simple to install Precise. Please follow this video and also the documentation in the Precise IDERA wiki website. Thank you.